Good morning, all my dear children. Hope you all are fine. And once again, welcome back to the online class. And today we will learn about special keys from chapter 4. So let's begin. So, children, this is page number 32 of your computer book. And today we will learn about special keys. We started, but today we will learn more on it. The first one is caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals or uppercase. In order to use this key, you need to turn it on. Okay, this is how it's look. Pressing this key once turns on the key and pressing it again will turn it off. So what will happen if you turn on the key? If you type something, suppose if you are typing computer and your caps lock key is on, so you can see that the typing will be like this. Okay, and if it is off, then it will look like this. Okay, now coming to arrow keys, we have 4 arrow keys. Okay, a keyboard has 4 arrow keys. These keys are also called the cursor control keys. They are used to move the cursor in 4 different directions: left, right, up and down on the screen. Okay, now here you can see this is the up arrow key, this is the down arrow key, this is the left arrow key, and this is the right arrow key. Alright, now the next one is the backspace key. Look at the key carefully, look at the arrow. Okay, it is moving, it is pointing to the left side, but this is not the arrow key. You will see backspace written on top. This key works like an eraser. Every time you press this key, the character that is typed left to the cursor will be erased. Okay, let's see example. See, this is, you have typed, suppose you have typed it wrong, computer, and then by mistake you have typed Z. Okay, and your cursor is after Z. Now to remove this Z, if you press the backspace key, what will happen? It will be erased and this will be computer, the Z will be erased. Okay, after pressing the backspace key. Now delete key. This key also works like an eraser, but every time you press the key, a character, that is the letter that is typed to the right side, okay, to the cursor will be erased. Now see, here same example I am showing, but where is the cursor? The position of the cursor is before Z. Okay, if the cursor is before the letter, then you can press the delete key to erase, and if it is after the letter, then you can press the backspace key to erase. This is the difference between delete key and the backspace key. Alright, now the tab key. Look at the key carefully. 2 arrows you will see. This key sits right above the caps lock key on a keyboard. Tab key is used to move the cursor to the right by 5 spaces at a time. Okay, so from the margin 5 steps it will move right. Alright, see, this is written national bird, no space in between, and the cursor in between the 2 words. Okay, now if I press the tab key, what will happen? Now look at the blank. Can you see? 5 times the cursor moved and there is a huge space now in between the 2 words. Okay, so today we have learned special keys like caps lock keys, arrow keys, backspace keys, delete key and the tab key. Okay, so please learn it carefully, read it, and also go through the examples that are shown here in the book. Okay, so all of you children, next day we will start the symbol key. Till then, all of you take care, have a nice time, and bye bye.